Japan is home to some of the world's longest living people, with a life expectancy that continues to inspire global admiration. So, what makes this nation stand out? A combination of their diet, active lifestyle, and innovative healthcare system are among the key factors contributing to their impressive longevity. In this video, we'll uncover the wisdom of Japanese doctors who have studied the secrets of living a longer, healthier life. From ancient traditions to modern insights, their expertise is distilled into 10 practical tips that you can start applying today. Let's begin with these tried and true strategies for a long and fulfilling life. The power of diet. Nourishing your body. 1. The Washoku diet. The traditional Japanese diet, known as washoku, is not just a meal plan, it's a cultural treasure recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Central to this diet is an emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients prepared in ways that retain their natural flavors and nutrients. Staples include rice, fish, tofu, seaweed, and a variety of colorful vegetables, creating a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Beyond promoting heart health and longevity, the washoku diet is a feast for the senses, with meals often arranged to be visually appealing, enhancing the dining experience. This diet also reduces reliance on processed and sugary foods, lowering the risk of chronic illnesses like diabetes and hypertension. The variety of ingredients ensures not only flavor diversity but also a full spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat cellular aging and inflammation. 2. The benefits of fermented foods. Fermented foods like miso, natto, and pickled vegetables are pillars of the Japanese diet, celebrated for their probiotic content. These beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, play a vital role in maintaining gut health, which is increasingly recognized as a cornerstone of overall well-being. Miso soup, a daily staple in Japan, is not only comforting but also rich in nutrients like manganese, copper, and zinc. Natto, made from fermented soybeans, contains nattokinase, an enzyme that supports cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and reducing clot formation. Even pickled vegetables, such as tsukemono, add fiber and a tangy flavor to meals while supporting digestion. Incorporating fermented foods regularly can improve nutrient absorption, boost immunity, and even enhance mood through the gut-brain connection. 3. Moderation and mindful eating. The principle of hara hachi biyu, practiced in Okinawa, Japan, a region known for its centenarians, encourages stopping eating when 80% full. This approach naturally regulates calorie intake, preventing weight gain and reducing the risk of metabolic diseases. Mindful eating involves savoring each bite, paying attention to flavors, textures, and hunger cues. This practice not only enhances the enjoyment of food but also reduces the likelihood of emotional or mindless overeating. By eating more slowly and deliberately, you give your brain time to signal fullness, leading to better portion control and digestive health. This philosophy extends beyond the plate, fostering gratitude and a deeper appreciation for food. 4. The importance of regular physical activity. In Japan, physical activity is seamlessly integrated into daily life. Walking, biking, and climbing stairs are common, as is gardening, a popular pastime that doubles as moderate exercise. Even commuting often involves walking to and from train stations, ensuring consistent movement throughout the day. This active lifestyle has been linked to improved cardiovascular health, better joint flexibility, and reduced risks of obesity and related diseases. Engaging in regular movement, even in small amounts, helps maintain muscle strength and bone density, key factors for longevity and independence in older age. 5. Traditional Japanese exercises. Low-impact exercises like Tai Chi, yoga, and Japan's own radiocalisthenics called Ragyo Taiso are widely practiced and accessible to all age groups. Tai Chi, with its slow, flowing movements, improves balance, coordination, and mental focus. Yoga enhances flexibility and relieves tension, while Ragyo Taiso provides a simple, quick routine that promotes joint mobility and circulation. These exercises not only improve physical health but also foster a sense of community, as they are often practiced in groups. They are ideal for reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and keeping the body agile, even as we age. 6. The role of mindfulness in movement. Movement in Japan often incorporates mindfulness, a practice that connects the body and mind. Martial arts like Aikido and Kendo emphasize discipline, focus, and respect, blending physical fitness with mental clarity. Even non-strenuous activities, such as tea ceremonies or flower arranging, require intentional movements that promote concentration and calm. This deliberate approach to physical activity reduces stress and encourages better body awareness, leading to fewer injuries and greater overall well-being. It's a reminder that movement doesn't have to be vigorous to be impactful. It can be slow, steady, and deeply enriching. 7. The Ikigai philosophy. Ikigai, which translates to reason for being, is a central concept in Japanese culture that emphasizes finding purpose and fulfillment. It lies at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Having a clear sense of purpose has been linked to lower rates of depression, stress, and even chronic diseases. People who live with Ikigai often report higher levels of happiness and resilience, which are key to navigating life's challenges. To discover your Ikigai, reflect on your passions, strengths, and how you can contribute to others, creating a life that feels both meaningful and rewarding. 8. The importance of social connections. In Japan, strong social networks are a way of life. Multi-generational households, neighborhood gatherings, and festivals foster deep connections and a sense of belonging. This culture of togetherness provides emotional support, reduces loneliness, and encourages healthy behaviors, such as shared meals and group exercise. Research shows that social engagement is a key predictor of longevity. Those with strong relationships often recover more quickly from illness and maintain better mental health. Even small acts, like sharing tea with a neighbor or participating in a community event, can strengthen bonds and enrich life. 9. Stress management techniques. Mindfulness practices like zazen, seated meditation, and deep breathing exercises are integral to Japanese culture. These techniques help center the mind, reduce stress hormones, and improve emotional regulation. Japanese gardens, with their carefully arranged rocks, water features, and plants, also serve as tranquil spaces for reflection and relaxation. Even a simple practice like sipping green tea while focusing on its aroma and warmth can be a meditative experience that calms the mind and restores balance. 10. Connecting with the natural world. Nature is deeply woven into Japanese culture, from the beauty of cherry blossoms in spring to the changing colors of maple leaves in autumn. Practices like Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, involve immersing oneself in the natural environment, using all 5 senses to connect with the surrounding beauty. This practice has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, improve immune function, and enhance mood. Whether it's a walk in a forest, listening to birdsong, or feeling the breeze, spending time in nature provides a restorative experience that modern lifestyles often overlook. The importance of sleep. Japanese doctors stress that quality sleep is just as important as diet and exercise for longevity. Sleep allows the body to repair tissues, consolidate memories, and regulate hormones. Practices like sleeping on firm futons or using tatami mats can promote better spinal alignment and deeper rest. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine, minimizing screen time, and creating a calming sleep environment are essential for reaping the restorative benefits of sleep. In Japan, naps or short breaks, known as inamori, are also culturally accepted and provide an energy boost, helping individuals stay alert and productive throughout the day. Practical tips for a longer life. To recap, here are the top 10 tips from Japanese doctors. 1. Follow a nutrient-rich, balanced washoku diet. 2. Incorporate fermented foods into your meals. 3. Practice mindful eating with hara hachi bu. 4. Make regular physical activity a habit. 5. Explore traditional exercises like Tai Chi or yoga. 6. Embrace mindfulness in movement. 7. Find purpose with the Ikigai philosophy. 8. Strengthen social connections for emotional health. 9. Manage stress through meditation and reflection. 10. Spend time in nature and prioritize quality sleep. Small, consistent changes can have a profound impact on your health. Start by choosing one tip from this list and incorporating it into your daily routine. Share your journey in the comments below, and let's inspire one another to embrace the secrets of longevity. Here's to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life.